Well done, both. Zoe, what did you think of the performance?
I love you guys so much. I love your originality and your vibe and like the way you feed off each other and stuff. Like you work together so well. You like you as a rapper and you as a singer. Like it just works. Like today's performance was completely different to last week's performance, but again, like it was still amazing. Like do you know what I mean? Like even though last week was like dancey and like this one was more serious, it was still phenomenal. Like I love you both. Like I love you both. It was a stunning performance. Well done.
Cal?
I love how you decided on your inspired artist. I love the fact that you both came together and it was like a mutual artist. That just shows how dedicated you are to each other and making this connection that you've got. Like it's just so strong. And I love watching you perform every week because you're in your own zone, but you vibe off each other. It's fascinating to watch. It's just absolutely amazing. The energy that you've got, and I love how unique you are. I do think you are one of the most unique acts that we've had that I've seen, and I just thought it was brilliant. Well done.
Louise?
Yeah, guys, I really enjoyed it. I think you're both individually very talented, and when you come together, it does create just something quite special. And something that we don't see a lot of, like working out on the circuit and stuff in terms of what you do. I thought you were a fab rapper, brilliant voice. Just my own personal opinion is I think you need a little bit more time to shine. Like you had the verses that you shone on your own, and then most of the chorus, there was only that one little line where you weren't in unison, and then you came in like a call and response, and that worked a lot better than the unison. You having that moment, and then you coming in. And that worked a lot better because it didn't seem so clustered, if that made sense. It was fab, don't get me wrong, it's just, in my opinion. these might disagree with me, but you've got such a lovely voice and you're such a good rapper. You've got your time in the verses, so it would have been nice for you to have had those choruses and you just kind of hyped everyone up in amongst it. Do you know what I mean? But I thought overall I really enjoyed it, and I think it was a fab performance. Well done.
Katie Vibez, I'm a massive fan of you. I think what's happened tonight, and it's probably because you've had standing ovation so far, and you didn't get one then. And I think what have happened is that in terms of the choice you picked, I loved the idea of going acoustic, as you know, last week I was like thing, but in all honesty, it wasn't a great song. All right, and from what I listened to, I didn't think it offered enough. Like she picked up with you, I think it could have been more. Even like watching you both, it lost a little bit of energy. Not that it had got to be fast, because I wanted to see acoustic, but it lost that sort of connection feeling that I had from you from the previous weeks. It's not a problem. Like I said, this is different for you two. You don't usually come out and do this sort of thing. We've chucked you in the deep end. This is what it's all about. It takes nothing away from you as an act, because I still think you're standing out in this whole thing completely. But I wanted to take from this now and learn from it, because like that's the only reason. Like I can't make everyone's decision, but I think you didn't get that impact from everyone else as of sort, including me. Because it just weren't the greatest. It really was, and it was decent, but compared to what you've been doing, this was a step down. All right. What you need to do from this is come back stronger with these themes and inspired artist week. Like I said, it probably would have been better if you did come out and actually do something by an artist and put your own stamp on it. You know, because like when I listened to that, I didn't get any Tracy Chapman vibes from that. If nothing at all, the complete opposite. The only thing that was similar was that there was a guitar in it, you know. But there's so many songs with guitars in it, you know. Take what you've done tonight from this, learn, come back even stronger. Because, like I said, it takes nothing away from who you both are. I'm still your biggest fan, and I still can't wait to see what you will do next time. Honestly, take what you've done this week and bring it back even stronger next week. All right? Well done, both. Well done. Round of applause for you guys. Well,